In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Google Keep notes in just 5 minutes. Backing up your notes is essential to ensure you never lose important information, and Google Keep makes it easy to do so. Let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to Google Keep. Start by opening your web browser and typing in keep.google.com in the address bar. It's important to be logged into your Google account, so make sure you do that if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Keep, you'll find yourself on the main page filled with your notes. Click on the note you wish to back up. This will open up the note and give you access to more options. In case you've got a lot of notes, you might want to use the search function to quickly locate the one you need to back up. Now, after you have your note open, look for the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Copy to Google Docs. Go ahead and click that option. What this does is create a copy of your note directly into Google Docs, providing you with a straightforward way to back up and eventually access your note. After you've executed this step, you can close the menu by clicking Close. This action takes you back to your notes and allows you to proceed with more backups, if needed, or to check out other features. Next, to make sure that your note was successfully copied, you should head over to Google Docs. Open docs.google.com in your web browser and you'll see your note saved as a Google Doc. This serves as a backup copy, sitting safely in your Google Docs. But we're not done yet. When you create this Google Doc, a backup version is automatically saved in your Google Drive as well. To verify, navigate to drive.google.com. In your Google Drive, locate the newly created document that's named after your note, and there you have it, a second backup copy. And there you go. Now your Google Keep notes are securely backed up in both Google Docs and Google Drive, providing you with 2 reliable access points should you need them. This process not only ensures the safety of your data, but also makes your notes more versatile and readily accessible across different platforms. Remember, regularly backing up your notes is a smart practice to cultivate.